Welcome to another Experience the Difference. Today we're looking at serviceability and maintenance on the Cat skid steer loader and compact track loader. Maintenance of a skid steer or compact track loader shouldn't be a hassle, especially since many customers often perform routine service themselves on these compact machines. Cat skid steers and compact track loaders are easy to service because each model provides simple, ground level access to all routine service points, without the need to remove bolts or covers. And because it's easy to do, there's a better chance it will get done, which leads to a longer lasting, higher performing machine as well as more resale value at the end of the ownership period. Let's first take a look at the serviceability of the Cat machine. The Cat machine features ground level access to all routine service points, without the need to remove bolts or covers. You can easily check the various filters, engine oil, coolant level, hydraulic oil level, and the cooler cores. The modular cab provides excellent lower frame access. The component layout under the cab is orderly and spacious with contrasting colors for easy inspection. In the event of a leak, all hoses are clearly labeled with a part number to help speed up the replacement process. The fuel system features a clear water separator housing and an electric priming pump with an automatic air bleed. This simplifies replacing and priming the fuel filter and water separator. Side-by-side coolers allow for easy cleaning and efficient airflow. Maintenance interval reminders and machine health alerts are available in the advanced display to help you stay on top of the machine's service needs. The Cat machine also features lower costs for maintaining the hydraulic system due to an industry-leading hydraulic oil change interval of 6,000 hours. On the Cat skid steer loaders, the drive chain tension can be adjusted to maintain performance. The Cat compact track loaders feature sprockets that can be interchanged or reversed in order to maximize life and reduce replacement costs. And the final drive fluid, fill, and drain point is accessible from outside the machine. Now let's take a look at serviceability on competitive machines. The component layout under the cab on the Kubota is dark colored and appears less accessible, which may make it more difficult to inspect. The Kubota also requires multiple tools to access routine maintenance items. For example, the hydraulic oil filter access requires the cab to be lifted, and the hydraulic oil top-off requires tools to remove the fill cap. On the Kubota compact track loader, the sight gauge isn't visible at the fill location. Smaller engine air filters on the Kubota need to be cleaned more frequently, and the Kubota hydraulic oil change interval is 1,000 hours compared to the 6,000 hours on a Cat machine. To access a fuel filter and engine oil filter on their compact track loader, you must remove bolts to tilt the cooler away. And the engine air filter element on the Kubota compact track loader can be difficult to access for cleaning or replacement due to its proximity to the cooling package. The stacked coolers on the Kubota skid steer loader can potentially trap debris, restrict airflow, and make cleaning difficult. On the Bobcat machine, the engine is installed transversely, and most service points are accessible on the visible side of the engine. The component layout under the cab is dark colored and seems less accessible, which may make inspection more difficult. The fuel filter air bleed requires tools to loosen the air vent plug. On some models, the fuel is primed manually with a primer bulb, which takes longer to fully prime. Stacked coolers can potentially trap debris, restrict airflow, and make cleaning difficult. Their smaller engine air filters need to be cleaned more frequently. The hydraulic oil change interval on the Bobcat is 1,000 hours compared to the 6,000 hours on the Cat machine. On their compact track loaders, access to the final drives requires removing the sprocket housing. The Bobcat compact track loader doesn't feature interchangeable or reversible sprockets. On the Deere machines, in order to gain access to most of the routine service items, you must raise the loader arms and remove the engine side panels. This includes accessing the engine air filter, the fuel filter and water separator, the engine oil filter and hydraulic filter, as well as cleaning the cooler core. After the cab is raised, full service access under the cab requires removal of additional fasteners. And like the other competitive machines, the hydraulic oil change interval on the Deere machine is 1,000 hours compared to the 6,000 hours on the Cat machine. Keeping your machine in the best working condition is critical to your success. And with the easy maintenance on the Cat skid steer and compact track loader, you can keep downtime to a minimum and get back to work faster. So compare for yourself and experience the difference of a Cat machine. For more information, please visit your local Cat dealer.